The fuel level sensor is a potentiometer or variable resistor, which signals the ECM the amount of fuel left in the tank. In OBD2 systems, this is important in order to run the monitors. The EVAP system monitor, which is an OBD2 test, will not run if fuel level is below 25% or above 75%. This is to prevent excessive fuel vapors from skewing the reading, or if there is too much fuel on the tank, there is not enough room for the monitor to run. This is the reason why this, in previous years was an insignificant sensor, is now very important. If you are in an OBD2 state inspection area, you will not be able to pass the test until you repair this problem. The fuel level sensor has 3 terminals: the ECM ground, the 5-volt reference, and the signal wire. This sensor works the same way as a TPS, or throttle position sensor. To test, connect a test light to battery power and probe on the sensor ground. The test light should be lit, indicating a good ground present. This ground is also connected to pin number 5 of the DLC connector. To test the 5-volt reference circuit, do not use a test light. Connect a multimeter black lead to a good ground, and the red one to the 5-volt reference. If no 5 volts reference, then the wire is broken, or the ECM is faulty. This 5-volt reference may also be the same as the engine TPS, or some other sensor. So, a short on another sensor may cause the fuel level sensor to become inoperative. Look for other faulty codes available, and if these components share the same 5-volt reference. To test the signal wire, disconnect the fuel level sensor, connect a test light to battery power, and momentarily tap the signal wire. Do so using the test light so as not to damage the ECM circuitry. You should see a voltage change at the scanner. You may use the ATP Scan 1 Pro for this purpose. You can also use a multimeter connected to this circuit at the ECM connector itself. Be advised that the fuel level sensor may also be placed together with a fuel pump connector. So it may look like a bigger connector, but it is always a separate circuit. Also, if you have no instrument cluster fuel level readout, but the scanner PID is okay, then your fault may be at the instrument cluster module itself.